Detaching windows is useful when you want to move parts of Thinkorswim to a second monitor, or just have certain tools floating independently on your screen. To detach any window, click the hamburger menu on that window and select Detach. This creates a separate floating window that you can move anywhere on your screen or drag to another monitor. You can resize it just like any other window. You can detach multiple windows, charts, watch lists, trade tabs, whatever you need accessible independently. One thing to know, once a window is detached, there is no way to reattach it back into the main platform. Once you have your detached windows arranged the way you want them, save your workspace from the Setup menu. Thinkorswim will remember the position and size of every detached window, so your entire layout reloads exactly as you left it. When you close Thinkorswim, always close it from the main window, not from a detached window. Closing a detached window only closes that window while the platform keeps running. Closing the main window closes everything.